You ever had your back hammered before?
Hammered?
Oh.
Oh, what was that?
Hey there, how we doing?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm Dr. Beau. Good to meet you.
Hey, all right now.
Welcome to the show.
Welcome to the show.
We're gonna do some of the soft tissue part first. So this is gonna be a little bit painful, but you'll feel way better afterwards.
Oh.
Damn, come on now. Am I supposed to feel that in my hand?
You can, yeah. Drop your left shoulder a little bit. I'm easy
This
like...
table ain't gonna break, is it?
Yeah. Oh, man.
Oh, wow.
I can't go to my granddaughter's things a lot of times and do stuff with her. My youngest grandson's 3. I can't play with him the same way because I'm hurting too much.
But yeah, it comes all the way down here and it'll go numb a lot.
When you grab that wheel, your neck kind of stretches forward. And I can't dance no more. You know, it's a passion of mine. I still want to dance, but the pain's getting worse.
So what are your favorite roads in America?
I don't keep up with it.
Hard to isolate one.
Houston, Texas sucks.
Right there.
Oh, that was good. Damn, that feel good.
Feels nice.
Hell yeah.
There we go.
I guess as far as truck drivers go, we're macho guys, right? We're not supposed to let each other know our aches and pains. I mean, we're supposed to take it and move on down the road, you know. Oh man, I think I'd be a little bit looser.